slide like a motherfucker. That nigga fall out, though. Good sin right there.
Really?
You got on the black hoodie, match your car shit on like. It might be that nigga Avery shit. Turn them motherfucker. Turn them motherfucker. Man, what it do, GDG? Goddamn game, man. Y'all know how I am. It's your boy Sam. No lie, nigga. I'm that guy, nigga. I'm back with another video, man. Listen,
crazy, we got I know your intro better than you, boy.
Shit, you probably do. Listen, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. We got a POV drive for y'all today, and we got them uncles out. You feel me? Y'all see the little head mount on top of the thing. He get it from me though. He get it from me. We right now. Yeah, we looking good right here. We about to ride out just for a split of a second. Not too light. It would want to rain today. But it's all cool. We still gonna do our thing, man. We not control our cars in the rain. Yo. Hey, but before we get into this, man, gonna like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if y'all know so y'all get notified your boy drop these bangers. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. Hey, GOTDAMNSAM on everything I need to know will be down below in the description. Hey, man, let me go and put my little head mount on, and we about to ride. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's ride. Hey, I love this nigga to the death, man. Man, look at this motherfucker. Beautiful ass C8 right here now. Listen.
That bitch is so nice. Huh?
You can't go wrong with that C8, man. You cannot go wrong with this beautiful motherfucker. 2022. This the yeah, this bitch look good though. I'm gonna tell y'all what a real bed. Bed.
What are you worrying about that bed?
The bed.
It's a Grand Sport right here.
That's a Grand Sport? This bitch look good.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what car this is? This car might be?
What car?
It might be that nigga Avery shit. This shit was purple like this.
Oh, it was?
Shit, yeah. He got it round.
Yeah,
That might be his shit for real though. But this 500, nigga.
Right,
This the, you feel me? Y'all see that snake?
like I told you, ain't about to shit, but yeah.
I'm about to slip.
Oh, I thought you were about to slip.
No.
Yo, I don't know if I should get this new Mustang.
The new Mustang, like, you feel me, the interior, all that shit is like better, you feel me? It is faster, but I'm saying faster than yours, yeah. But just overall speed, man, just.
That's why I was like, it really depends on the price of it, yeah. Because if they want about 65 for the dark horse,
yeah.
You might as well get the 5.
When we came out of the interstate, goddamn, we were sliding. When we came across the interstate and get down. This is the hardest. This the hardest Bronco I've seen though. I ain't gonna front, this rain coming out even more, a little harder now. You feel me? We can't probably be out here forever.
Too much longer.
Look, GoPro adding.
Who?
You.
Listen.
But I ain't gonna front this Bronco acting. I'm saying, what they got on it? Off-road, you feel me? Look at that.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, GDG, I'll put my female in something like that.
I'm trying to tell you.
See, I ain't gonna lie, shit. That bitch made to go on road, you feel me? Just cause, you feel me, females don't know how to drive, so you feel me, this be their best option. Just cause they go off the road, you feel me? Yeah, all that.
If you go off the road here, yes, be alright.
Yes, it be alright. Yeah. So we gotta get back in the car now? That's how you look at, you had turn your car on? Boy, cause your car is loud, boy. That thing look good sitting right there.
Really?
You got on the black hoodie, match your car shit on. Like, I should have had on my other hoodie.
Really? Some Corsa exhaust.
Of course, that's exhaust.
Yeah.
It look good though, man.
So we gonna throw that supercharger on that SF. We don't need that one.
We gonna supercharge this bit.
Yeah.
We supercharge this bit, but I don't want to, you feel me?
Huh?
I said we can supercharge this bit. I gotta get my shit clean though. Come around that motherfucker. I'm following you. You going straight? Oh, that nigga can't even hear me. In that mall. That nigga talking about. I ain't gonna say it didn't unload, but I don't know yet. Type shit. I don't know. Hey, Tajay. Tajay. He caught that super up. You heard it? slide like a motherfucker. GDG, this rain no joke. This rain no joke. Oh my fucking God. This shit here is crazy. Look, we be getting wicked out there, motherfucker, quick. So they got them tunes going. Man, listen, GDG. Man, I've been recording, bro, but I don't think my I ain't gonna say I ain't got it. But like, I don't think my GoPro was recording the first part of us like riding, bro. Like, I don't know what the fuck was going on. I think my shit like kept connecting to the car or something, bro. I just don't know what the fuck was going on, GDG. And it just, I don't know, man. That shit really just blew the hell out of me. But hopefully it's on here. If it's not, then I don't even know what to tell y'all, GG, man. I'm for sure cut up some more though, you feel me? For sure cut up some more. As y'all see, I just did that. Let me get Toddy to do a little rev. Oh, it's green light. He ain't about to rev his engine. I did it too late. If I see it out here, and I don't know, y'all probably can't see this nigga through this windshield, but this nigga is bamming like a mug. I'm good. And listen, I ain't gonna probably know the fuck we're going on. Really just following him. Dry roll, quick pull. Dry roll. Dry. Just dry a little bit. I said we got a little bit of dryness. Nigga wanna wait till the turn come up. Where we going? This nigga a young bull, man. I said it was a little dry real quick. We could've got a little pull in. You talking? What, you dropping your gears? Oh, I thought you was in my thing. Damn, I was trying to see what you had going. I seen you bobbing your head and all that good stuff. I had read the engine mark. I gotta get my shit done, man. I said I had read my engine, motherfucker. I gotta get my pipes done. Maybe a little, yeah. Woo, slide like a motherfucker, GDG. That bitch sliding. GDG, that bitch know it be sliding, GDG. I got them all though. That nigga tight. Oh, nigga sliding. God damn, this nigga caught loud, boy. This nigga bragging, cuz. That nigga caught loud, though. Hold on. Oh, this shit sliding. Oh, shit. nigga type that car is loud as hell, cuz. That nigga car is loud, boy. Well, your car loud, boy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, boy. God damn, boy, I ain't gonna lie, boy. That Coyote engine sound good, boy. Shit, I gotta get some exhaust done. I gotta get some exhaust work done on my shit, man. I gotta take my muffler off or something. That nigga car is... That bit down should sound good. I ain't even gonna stand cat to him though. Man, like I said, man, we finna get on this highway. And after that, we get off the highway. I'm thinking I'm just gonna take it in for the day. Cause it's supposed to rain even more. It really kind of started a little bit. Wicked in? But yeah, man. Hey, man, like I said, man, listen. For all y'all boys that want y'all cars, man, go get them bitches now, man. If you're able to get them hoes right now, man, get your cars now, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. You feel me? Down that way and shit. You feel me? Do what you want now. Don't listen to nobody, man. Cause listen, listening to folks going like, yo, God gave everybody their own mind to do what they want to. You see what I'm saying? It's okay to listen to, you feel me, here and there. It's damn sure okay, cause nobody knows it all type shit. But man, go get what y'all want, man. Go get what y'all want, GDG. I'm trying to tell y'all. You gonna have way more fun in life. You go get what y'all want. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Cause listen, I don't even know what to say, man. Just go. Yeah, him bragging. That bitch sound good. You feel me? And he talking about? And is he talking about GDG? Like I said, man, we should take this motherfucker through Atlanta on him. Talking about. Right now we ain't in the city part type shit. The city part back that way somewhere. Oh no, they get on the highway slizzo like that? What happened to cuz? A round motherfucker. 1500. I'll roll up the windows for y'all, man, cause this shit get loud on this highway. I'm good. We good. RP takeoff, man. And listen, man. They having car funeral right now, man. Down the street, bro. RP takeoff. You wanna do something? What, 40? All right. niggas must be, I don't know what he doing. It's like he letting his gears get too high and it's stalling on him. Let me ask him. You stalling? You stalling your gears? You stalling your gears? Horns? This car gonna get in front of me, cuz. This car gonna get in front of me and just ruin the whole race. He hit it right there. I ain't gonna lie to you, G. That nigga hit that shit right there. Cause that 5-0 about to get up on my ass quick. Oh God, nigga. Oh God, that 5-0 about to get up on my ass. That pussy, that nigga gonna get in front of me. What the fuck? You hit it good there. You ready? This shit here riding though, man. I ain't gonna front, I don't know where the hell we going. We just out this bitch about to go on a whole new state. I don't know where the hell we going, GDG. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I ain't gonna front, we neck and neck until we get like tie high speeds type shit. You feel me? We neck and neck till we get out to high speeds. But when we get to high speeds, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know who got it, GDG. I don't know. You feel me? Like I'm telling y'all. Oh, you wanna do another one? Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, I ain't in track! I ain't in track! The fuck? Man, yeah, alright. I wasn't in track mode, I was in sport mode. Oh, I'm gonna get on that one. Fuck! I didn't know my car was in sport. He lucky that bitch was in sport. It's all good though, good for us, good for us. Damn! Nah, that's crazy, GDG, that's crazy. Oh man, I didn't know my car was in sport. I was in sport the whole time. His car was in his, I ain't gonna lie, if he had his car in drag, he cheating. That nigga cheating. You know, Mustang, they got this drag mode. Chevy don't wanna make a drag mode, but Ford is smart enough to make a drag mode, you feel me? So they can like, get like that nigga drag mode throws him forward every time his car switch gears. Like if y'all get a 5/10 speed, bro, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about, bro. This nigga car switch, every time his car switch gears, it launched him forward. Like I don't know what, man. Oh man, I gotta call him, bro. I was in sport, so I feel like I was like too, I don't know. It did good though, we were doing good though. I felt my car was not a little sluggish. But in track, yeah, it's a different story, bro. Let me ask somebody had his car in. Hey, you had your car in drag?
The last time
Mine,
The first time I really was trying to hit the gas hard.
I was riding the sport. You lucky that bit went in trade. You lucky that bit went in trade. You lucky that bit went in trade, man. That's all good though, man. Like I say, man, GG, go get what y'all want, man. This shit be fun as hell, man. We be cutting up all type of shit, man. Like I tell you, I hope this other video render up, man. I'm about to go to end the POV. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Well, I'm gonna end it on my main camera. I ain't gonna end it on this camera and shit like that, cause I'm probably about to go home, give me something to eat, upload this video, and probably run some videos with Tajay later. Come over here, and you feel me?